Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Write number in standard form and this is the given number. So we have to write in standard form of the number given. So this is the number given. Let's count how many zeros this number have. So it is 1, 3, 3, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 zeros. So we can write the above number as 45 multiplied by 10 to the power 8 because 8 zeros are there. Now if we multiply and divide this number by the same number, let's say 10 here, then the number remains as it is. Number remains same. So let's write it like this. So 10 to the power 8 multiplied by 10 to the power 10 can be written as 10 to the power 9 because the powers are added with the same base. So 45 by 10 can be written as, if we have to write in decimal form, then it can be written as 4.5 multiplied by this 10 to the power 9. So this is how we write any number in its standard form. So we can say this is the standard form of the given number.